Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to use Python in Excel. You can use Python in Excel through a library called OpenPyXL. Here's a simple guide. First is install OpenPyXL. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install OpenPyXL. Then create a new Excel file. Open your Python environment and start by importing the OpenPyXL library. Create a new Excel workbook and select a sheet. Then write data to the Excel file. You can write data to specific cells using the cell attribute. Then save your changes and close the workbook. You'll have an Excel file named example.xlsx with the data you entered. If you want to read data from an existing Excel file, open it using OpenPyXL. Access cell values. Then you can update existing cell values. Don't forget to save your changes. This is a basic overview to get you started. Using Python in Excel can be important. Python allows you to automate repetitive tasks in Excel, saving time and reducing the chance of errors. You can perform complex calculations, format data, and generate reports automatically. Python's extensive libraries such as Pandas and NumPy provide powerful tools for data analysis. You can manipulate and analyze large datasets more efficiently than Excel alone. Python enables seamless integration with other data sources, APIs, and web services. You can fetch live data, process it, and update your Excel spreadsheets dynamically. Python can be customized. You can create custom functions and algorithms tailored to your specific needs. This allows for more sophisticated and specialized calculations that may not be possible using Excel functions alone. Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn offers advanced visualization capabilities. You can create interactive charts and graphs that go beyond Excel's built-in charting option. And that's how to use Python in Excel. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.